Today I'm going to be making for you a healthier version of the McDonald's sausage breakfast burrito. Before I had weight loss surgery, I used to think this is a healthy option, but with 296 calories, 24 grams of carbohydrates, 17 grams of fat, and the only saving grace, 13 grams of protein, it's not so great. Okay, so my version of the McDonald's breakfast burrito only has 122 calories. It has 8 grams of carbohydrates. It only has 8.3 grams of fat and 13 grams of protein. This is a really good breakfast option in the morning when you're in a hurry. You can just grab it, put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, and you're out the door. So we're going to be saving a lot of calories by using a low-carb, zero-net tortilla with only 60 calories. We're going to be adding a lot of vegetables to it. We're going to be using turkey sausage. Normally, today I'm using regular sausage because my grocer didn't have any, but I would suggest using the Italian turkey sausage. It looks exactly like the pork sausage, but much less fat. We're going to be shredding our own cheese and using that in place of the processed cheese. So let's begin by preparing our turkey sausage. In the McDonald's version, they had little balls. And that way, we're going to take the sausage and just squeeze it out of its casings and make little sausage balls. And start by squeezing the turkey sausage out of the casing and putting it onto a plate. And then we're just going to roll them out. Have all of our turkey sausages done. We're going to chill them in the refrigerator. And while that's happening, we're going to prepare our other ingredients. Okay, so now that the turkey sausage is in the refrigerator, we're going to go ahead and cut up the vegetables. Now that we have all the vegetables prepared, let's go ahead and put them all in one bowl. So now get out a non-stick pan, a medium-sized one. We're going to go ahead and brown up the little sausage balls that we made. Once the pan is hot, we're going to put the turkey sausage into it. And you don't want to move it. You want to let it get brown a little bit to begin with. So let it get brown. And make sure that they're nicely separated so they're not sticking to each other. After you see them browning a little bit, take a spatula, or if you're like a chef, flip them around a couple times without it. I personally cannot do that, so I use the spatula. And kind of flip them on the other side so they get brown as well. So you feel like you have a nice coloring. And you want to put in a meat thermometer so that they're at 165 at least. You can take them off. Now we're going to go ahead and drain the sausage juice, but we're going to leave it in the pan. And we're going to drain our sausage on a paper towel. So next, get a large bowl and put the sausage into the bowl, the drained sausage. Okay, so we're getting closer to the finish line. We're going to scramble up some eggs. The first thing we want to do is take a bowl, obviously, and take out about 6 eggs at this point. and we're going to put them in the bowl and scramble them up. Now I just use a fork and I just scramble, and I put a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper in there. And then once they're scrambled in the bowl, I'm going to take a new pan and I'm going to put some spray in there, some Pam spray. You can put butter, but since we're trying to be healthy, Pam spray is better. Put some Pam spray in, put it on medium, and once you start to see the Pam kind of glistening and bubbly a little bit, I would say after about 30 to 40 seconds, go ahead and put your eggs in there. Make sure that it's on medium high, no higher than that, because we don't want to burn our eggs. So go ahead and put the eggs in there, and I use a spatula and I just kind of gently fold them over, kind of manipulate them a little bit, but not too much. We want them to kind of sit for a little bit. I like my eggs to be more on the, how do I say this gently, the tougher side. I don't like them real runny. Some people like them runny. I like them more on the more developed, harder side. So for me, I'm just gonna let them sit for a little bit, and I'm gonna take my spatula and kind of move them around. And once you kind of get a feeling like this is how I like my eggs, go ahead and kill the heat and take your pan off of the burner. Okay, so now we're gonna add the eggs to the sausage mixture and to the vegetable mixture. And go ahead and just I would take a spoon instead of a spatula, because a spatula will make everything go everywhere. But just take a spoon and just kind of gently mix those together so you have a nice even mix of vegetable, eggs, and a sausage. We're gonna lay our burrito on top of one of the wax paper squares. We're gonna put our egg mixture down the middle. I take half a cup and I use a half a cup and spoon it onto that. Then I take 2 tablespoons of the shredded cheddar cheese, and I put that down the middle. And that's basically it. We're gonna roll it up. Now you can roll it like a burrito. You take the one side in and the other side, and you meet them, and then just kind of roll it and take the other sides and you tuck those under, and you have your breakfast burrito. So now I'm going to assemble 6 more of these, cut them in half for my portions. Again, if you are on a regular diet, you can just eat the whole thing, but I cut mine in half for my bariatric portions. Okay, now our 7 burritos have been assembled. I'm going to keep 7 of them in the refrigerator for later when I assemble my meal prep and I put my fruit with it. And I'm going to put the other 7 in the freezer for next week or whenever I decide to eat them again. Okay, so to reheat these burritos, you're going to want to take them out of the refrigerator and put it in the microwave on a microwave safe plate. And I would put it in there for about 30 seconds, maybe 40 seconds, 30 to 40 seconds. And then take it out, and you're gonna have yourself a really good breakfast in the morning. These are so delicious. They're full of protein and they're very filling. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you're new to my channel, my name is Regina and I am on a weight loss journey. Please subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to leave me a comment on what you do in the morning that helps you to get through the day, I would really appreciate it. Thanks so much. And if you have a chance, watch my what I eat in a day video, and I'll see you next time. I've gone ahead and put the recipe in the description of this video. Also, any equipment or tools that I use to make it are also in the description.